Hi there! Today, I am going to share with you the best recipe for making natural Viagra at home. This recipe is easy to make, using all natural ingredients, and is a safe and healthy alternative to traditional Viagra. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of pomegranate juice, 1 lemon, 1 cup of watermelon, 1 small ginger root, 2 tablespoons of honey. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Begin by squeezing the lemon to get fresh lemon juice. Cut the watermelon into small pieces and remove the seeds. Peel and grate the ginger root. Step 2. Blending the ingredients. In a blender, add the watermelon, pomegranate juice, lemon juice, grated ginger, and honey. Blend all the ingredients together until they are smooth and well mixed. Step 3. Straining the mixture. Strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer. This will help remove any pulp or seeds and make the mixture smoother. Step 4. Storing the mixture. Store the mixture in a clean and airtight container in the fridge. The natural Viagra mixture can last up to a week. Step 5. Dosage. Take 1 glass of the natural Viagra mixture daily to help increase sexual performance and stamina. Conclusion: there you have it, a simple and effective recipe for natural Viagra that you can make at home. This recipe is not only easy to make, but is also affordable and safe. So, give it a try and enjoy the benefits of this all-natural alternative to traditional Viagra. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this.